The Proxmox Web UI shows current CPU and RAM per node. What it does not show is historical trends, cross-node comparisons, or per container resource breakdowns over time. That is what Prometheus and Grafana provide. And the data pipeline for a 4-node Proxmox cluster is simpler to set up than most guides make it look. I'm Hex. Let's get it running. 2 exporters feed one Prometheus instance. Noded exporter runs directly on each Proxmox host, not in a container, because it needs kernel and hardware access to collect CPU temperature, memory, and disk I/O from the real hardware. pve-exporter lives in a monitoring container and queries the Proxmox API for cluster-level data, which VMs are running, storage pool status, container resource usage. Download the node exporter binary directly from GitHub releases, copy it to /isa/local/bin. Create a dedicated system user with no shell, and write a minimal systemed service file. Enable and start it. Verify with a curl to localhost :9100/metrics. You should see node cpud seconds a total, node memory memtotal bytes, and dozens of other metrics. Repeat this on all 4 nodes. pve-exporter needs a read-only Proxmox API token. Create a monitoring user, assign the PV auditor role, and generate a token. Copy the secret. You only see it once. Install pve-exporter into a Python venv in CT105. Drop the token into a 600 permission config file and create the system service. Verify it responds at port 9221 with a curl that returns pve_metrics. The Prometheus configuration has 2 jobs. 1 scrapes noded exporter on all 4 nodes at port 9100, labeling them with the cluster name. The other scrapes pve-exporter using a relabel config to pass each node's address as the target parameter to the Proxmox API. A 30-second scrape interval gives you sharp historical data without hammering the hosts. Check status, targets in the Prometheus, UI to confirm everything is green. With Grafana pointed at Prometheus as a data source, import 2 community dashboards by ID. 1860 is node exporter full, the most downloaded Grafana dashboard anywhere, showing CPU, RAM, disk, network, and temperature for every node. 10,347 is the Proxmox cluster dashboard, which uses pve-exporter metrics to show VM and container status and storage pool health. Import select Prometheus, save. Don't. If your Proxmox cluster nodes share an SSH key, you can install noded exporter on all of them in a single for loop from plab 4. Save the download, binary copy, service file, and system commands as a shell script, then loop over the other 3 node IPs. Each one installs and starts in under a minute, much faster than doing it manually 4 times. Noded exporter is scraping hardware metrics from all 4 Proxmox hosts. pve-exporter is feeding cluster-level data from the API. Prometheus is storing 30 days of history. And 2 Grafana dashboards are making it all readable at a glance. The next post covers the full alerting configuration, email notifications, alert rules, and the node data state gotcha that trips everyone up the first time.